Hey beautifuls. Just went to the hair store. You know, I call it hair store. Beauty supply store, whatever. Trying this lipstick. I went to Fairview. And they only had the tester, and it was so pretty. But they didn't have any for me to buy, so I went to Suna on my lunch break just now. And it was $3.99. Excuse my mess in my car. It's my lunch break, so. It's a navy blue. They said, I told a girl at work about it, and she said that am I actually going to be wearing this to work? And I'm like, yeah. Oh my God, that is so pretty. I got another one because I'm greedy, but this is the one I went for. Let's see. Isn't that pretty? I love it. And this is the other one I got. This is, I don't even know how you say that. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway. If I end up posting this video, I'll put the colors down in the description. I keep getting from people that I need to vlog and show what I do with my makeup and my hair. So I said, why not? There's a million of them on YouTube. That's why I learned a lot of my stuff from. I didn't think they needed another one in the world, but why not? I can't get into this one. It's a sign I shouldn't have bought it. I didn't even, Suna didn't have testers out, so this one I didn't even test. I don't know. It just looked pretty. It looked like maybe a good highlight when I'm doing like a ombre effect on my lips. Anyway, here we go. It'll be a good highlight. Yeah, it'll be a good highlight. You see, not for this blue, but I see it with maybe the pink one I already have, the Fiesta. Let me show you that one. I have like 6 of these. I'm beginning to be obsessed. And then I have a Queen. That's my favorite. It's a purple. I might as well do all of them so I have to wipe my hands. Fiesta. And then Queen is the purple at the bottom. And yeah, I like them. These are made by Ruby Kisses. I love them. They're $3.99. Just about where you go. Some hair stores, they mark them up and they're like $4.99. I have some other ones at home. This Ruby and something else. I don't know. So anyway. Then, this lady I worked with sent me to get her a couple of lipsticks I had bought last week. They're by Nika K. They're pretty good too. And they're, I can't remember. How much are they? $2.99? I think. No, $1.99. They're pretty good. I'm gonna get this into my hand. I'm gonna use hand sanitizer and get the rest off. I'm gonna get to my desk. My lynch all the way down my shirt. Anyway, so my hair is crochet hair as usual. Love crochets. They're just, I can style them any way I want, you know. All the different options that you didn't have before, you have now. And they're easy and quick, so I like them. This I have in is Kima Ocean Wave. And it's a 2 and a 30. I wanted a red. I think it's like a 530, but they were out. But I think I'm glad they didn't, because then I seen it on another girl and it was kind of bright. I don't know. So I think I want to keep this color. I might cut it later. I always do when I wear it long. This is the first time I got the color though, but usually it's 2 all over or 1B, and as time goes on I just kind of trim it and cut it into different styles, and then I usually end up in a bob, and then I take it out and do something else, which is usually my Freetress Water Wave, because it's my favorite too. I go between these two. Anyway, so that's what my hair is, and my makeup. My base is always Revlon Color Stay, because I don't know, it's my favorite and I've been using it for forever. I've tried other stuff and it just makes my face oil up really bad, or like my face is oily anyway, really depending on all the junk food I eat that I shouldn't eat, but I eat it anyway. Anyway, so I have to blot, and when I blot the other makeup it just kind of comes off with it, but Revlon Color Stay, it still stays even after I blot all day. And my lipstick, of course, is the ones I showed you. It's a combination of the two, the purple and the Fiesta, the Queen and the Fiesta from Ruby Kisses. And I don't know, it's pretty much it. I got some blush, what was it called, Powder Perfect, I think, something like that. I don't know, it doesn't matter. It's nothing special about it. I don't know. My eyeliner, I didn't use eyeliner. I used black eyeshadow, and I wet my brush and use that as eyeliner, which you can't really see it because my glasses are on. But anyway, I'm sure this video was really boring. I haven't told you anything that any other YouTuber wouldn't tell you. Anyway, I'll come up with some other stuff, some other looks, I guess, and show you guys as I change it. I think I am going to do a upkeep video for crochet braids, because not a lot of people get the loose hair because they don't know how to take care of it, and it always ends up knotting and stuff, and it really depends on the type of hair that you have, on what to do with it, you know. Like how I take care of my Freetress Water Wave is not how I take care of the Kima. It's completely different. Oh wow, somebody's pulling up beside me. Yeah, I'm sure she thinks I'm crazy, but oh well, kind of am. Anyway, I think I will do that, because, you know, when I'm doing other people's, I have to tell them, and because they don't really know. So I think I will, but I'll do it when I get home, maybe, or maybe this weekend after I'm done braiding hair. Sometime, I don't know, I'll do it. It's coming. Anyway, I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.